Is going on, you guys? Ultimate Collector Toad here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Chucky Season 2 TV series. Yes, guys, we got some more amazing and important Chucky Season 2 TV series news. Has to be one of the most important Chucky Season 2 updates yet. So let's dive right into this. So we got an official poster, a small little teaser trailer, and the official release date for Chucky Season 2. And we also got the official plot. Like, I don't know where to start. I guess let's start with the teaser trailer, right? So we got I would say an official teaser trailer. Not the official trailer, but a teaser trailer. This trailer shows, you know, that it's Halloween time and people going trick-or-treating. Now this makes you wonder, does Season 2, will we get a Season 2 Halloween episode, kind of like Season 1? This is very interesting, and I really hope we do. This is absolutely amazing. And as you can see right here, you guys, Chucky Season 2 will premiere October 5th, 9 p.m. on USA and Syfy. How amazing is that? Season 1 was October 12th, but this year Season 2 will be October 5th. And last year for Season 1, it premiered at 10 p.m. I believe. This year for Season 2, it will premiere at 9 p.m. which is absolutely amazing. And I'll show you guys the clips, the teaser trailer right now, and I'll be back with you guys.
Chucky, new season premieres October 5th.
So about that, it is amazing. I am so excited. This is very exciting. Now the clips that you saw in the teaser trailer, like, are those from Season 2? Are those from one of the episodes in Season 2? This is what makes me wonder. But overall, this is very amazing. But not just that, you guys, we got a teaser poster. Now what a teaser poster means, it's like, it's not an official poster, but a poster for Season 2. And here it is, you guys. Chucky's look has officially been revealed for Season 2 of Chucky. This is Chucky's official look for Season 2, I'm pretty sure. Now they kept it the same for the most part. It looks like how he did in Season 1, but it's a little bit different. Now, it wouldn't really make sense if his look was completely different, because it's only been a couple months since Season 1 premiered, so it just won't make sense. However, in Court of Chucky and Season 1 of Chucky, there was like a 4-year time gap, like in real life, so I guess it makes sense for them to change his look. Plus, he didn't really look that good. Not that many people liked how he looked in Court of Chucky, although I loved it. But I love how he looks in all movies, but not that many people were impressed, so I guess that's why they changed it for Season 1 of Chucky. But he really looked amazing Season 1, so why change it? So he looks the same for Season 2, but a little bit different, and he looks absolutely amazing. And as you can see, Chucky Season 2 will premiere October 5th. And not just that, you guys, we got an official plot. Now I'm gonna read the plot right now, you guys, and I'll explain it after I read it. The plot, you guys, I read and I quote: after his diabolical plan to invade children's hospitals in America was foiled in Season 1, Chucky now seeks revenge on those he holds responsible. Surviving teens Jake, Zachary Arthur, Devin, Bjorn Anderson, and Lexi Olivia Allen, along with his ex Tiffany, now his sworn enemy. Now, oh boy, this sounds so exciting. Now, his plan was to take over America. I guess that didn't work out, I guess, because, we last saw Andy with Tiffany and the Chucky dolls in the truck, so something must have happened. Maybe Andy exploded the truck. Overall, it was foiled, it was ruined. So now Chucky wants to take revenge on, Zachary Arthur, Jake, Devin, Bjorn Anderson, and Lexi Olivia Allen. And now he also wants to take revenge on his Tiffany, because as we knew from Season 1, she was the one the one responsible for Chucky's death in the first place, Charles Lee Ray. Now, this is, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's nothing. His plan isn't really new. He just wants to take revenge. So that's what's gonna happen in season 2. He just wants to take revenge. I mean, in season 1, he had a plan to take over America and just to make a Chucky army. So I guess that one was similar as Cold, but still was kind of new, and it was actually a really good plan. But in season 2, he just wants to take revenge. Now I'm very, very nervous on how that's gonna work out. Like, is Tiffany gonna die in season 2? I mean, we saw the actual Tiffany die. Chucky electrocuted her, so that's not the first time she would die on screen if she does die in season 2. And plus, of course, we know Glenn is gonna return. Maybe Alice is gonna return. Jesse, from Bride of Chucky. So that is really, really exciting. Maybe there's more returning characters. So, I'm very, very excited on how this is gonna turn out. It does sound good, don't get me wrong. The plot sounds great. And plus, at the end of the day, this is just a plot. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today. Leave me your thoughts down below. I really want to hear it. I'll be replying in the comments like usual. But yeah, this is very, very exciting overall. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in this video. Don't forget, guys, keep on collecting. Bye.
Subscribe, damn it. I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you, you moron.